Hi, the guys at Calyan Wax Company sent us this wonderful stocking stuffer. Check it out. It is so well made. It looks really luxurious, right? It's the vetiver tonka smell. It has hints of nutmeg and different, really different smells. So this is it's a really good smell, like an expensive uh, perfume, you know. I'm going to light it up again, right? And this is a great gift for your friends that are environmentally and health conscious, because this is a vegan candle that is made with the cleanest of ingredients and is cruelty free, which means that no animals were used for the confection of the ingredients of this candle, right? So the wick as well is made out of metal free material, so that it burns really clean. It's good for the environment. And what they're proposing, with this brand is to, of course, make the ambience change, because with this smell, any place, when you walk in and any place smells like this, it changes the place. So that's the magic of having a candle, that when you light a candle, it changes the ambience of the place, and it has the olfactory sense is so important, because it brings you back memories. It takes you to another place. And this candle reminds me of a very luxurious hotel that I used to go in Midtown Manhattan. So it smells really good. You see, this is very chic. This black glass is very chic. It's really nice. Oh my God, it's a smell of expensive perfume. It's basically the smell of luxury. And I wish you could smell it over there. This is a great stocking stuffer. And what's great about this is that some of the proceeds go to charity. 5%, 10% goes to charity. So this candle checks off all the boxes when it comes to being good for the environment and good for the world. So, guys, thank you for sending this to me. This is going to live next to my desk, and I'm going to be enjoying myself with this beautiful vegan candle. Thank you. Super recommended.